morning, and welcome to another episode of Trippy Food. We are again joined by our friends from Wreckless Eating. We have Matt Zion and Gamer Nick.
That's right.
I would have got it.
You got it.
And today we are going to try the new apple pie KitKat. Now, if you remember from the birthday cake KitKat episode we did, I think, Matt, you were the one that mentioned that they were going to do an apple pie one and a pecan pie.
I heard pecan pie, but apparently the pecan pie thing was not happening. So.
Yeah, but they have released the apple pie one, and it's limited time only, so I don't know if it's like only for July.
What's going on with KitKat though? Like all of a sudden they're like, let's just start releasing a bunch of limited time flavors. Like what the hell? Where'd this come from? They never did anything different, and all of a sudden they're like, all right, there's two new ones just like that.
So this is the new apple pie KitKat. I got this at Walmart. I haven't seen it in other places, but I know that Walmart has it.
I hadn't even seen it at all yet. Period.
Well, I saw that Natter had done it, and then I asked him where he got it, and he said that he got it at Walmart. So I checked Walmart, and they had a whole stack of them. I expected, like, once you look and you see on eBay that they're going for like $15, and you're like, everybody scooped them all up, right?
Jesus.
And so I did see these on eBay, but when I went to Walmart, there was just a whole rack of them. So not a big deal. So apple pie, KitKat, and it's not like I would have loved if they had used that kind of shell, but then put like apple pie kind of filling maybe, or
but that's not a KitKat.
Yeah, exactly. So the only part of the flavor that has the apple pie flavor is the candy coating.
KitKat is already though like a compromise candy. Like it's a good candy, but if you're gonna like give me a Snickers or a Reese's. But like if I get a KitKat, I'll be happy. But I'll always want that instead.
Give me a break.
Yeah.
Give me a break. Break me up a piece of that KitKat bar.
Well, they're old. Nobody says that anymore. I don't think that's even
they
there.
do the commercial anymore?
You remember it?
I don't think so. Well, yeah, because we're old. He's trying to open it without touching it.
Well, yeah, it's COVID and all that.
Yeah, but it's funny. Like, I was funny watching you try to do the song and dance.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, the texture on this is way stronger.
I mean, we literally just ate food you cooked. I don't see what the big deal is now. Touch a piece of candy.
The texture on this is already way stronger than a normal KitKat bar. Like, whoa. It's fighting. Pulling that apart was hard. Like, look at that.
Oh, wow.
That's not the way KitKats work usually.
Oh, I did it.
Oh, weird. Wow,
Well, you get white chocolate right off the bat.
Most unique KitKat I've ever had.
Texture-wise.
Everything wise. It is weird.
Oh, there's the apple.
What?
It does. I'm eating apple flavor. Yeah.
I think it's delicious.
It's not bad. It's weird.
That's better than the birthday cake one.
It's like when
I mean, that actually does have an apple taste to it.
Yeah.
it's like when
Absolutely.
who was it that released the weird? Oh, when M&Ms came out with the caramel M&Ms. Because like the texture on this was completely different from every other M&M ever. That's weird.
Those weird
Not
M&Ms.
bad.
It felt like eating Skittles, but it tasted like M&Ms. It was like the weirdest.
I'm not a big KitKat fan, anyways. But and the birthday cake one was kind of, But this one's really good. I like this one.
It's
I think that was
fine.
great. I love
I'm
it.
gonna give it a thumbs up.
It's fine.
Matt?
It's barely
Middle?
barely a thumbs up.
Yeah.
It's I don't know. Like I'd rather just have a regular KitKat.
Actually,
It's way better.
I would actually say I kind of like it better than the
And then KitKat, they're like, now they have KitKat Bites and KitKat, the big, like giant KitKats and stuff like that. So like, they're just going crazy.
A lot of those boxes though that do look like the giant ones end up like you'll pick it up and it's just a bunch of little individually wrapped ones.
Yeah.
It's a rip off. I hate that.
All right, so KitKat, like I said, I found it at Walmart. I'm not sure other places are carrying around. It seems to be plentiful right now, but it is a limited time only. So if you want to try that, go ahead and give it a shot. Also, be sure to check out our previous episode where we did the birthday cake one, which I don't know if it's still out or for, every time they put our new one in place.
I gotta hurry up and release ours though because it's like I'm taking forever on it.
Yeah. All right. So, anyways, give it a shot if you want to. It's crazy out there. Be careful. Take care of yourselves. Take care of others. We'll see you soon.
Nah, forget it. Just do your thing,
Sure.
Just ignore everybody else. Don't let anything inconvenience your life. Because why not?
It's a violation of our rights.
That's our rights.
See you soon. Thanks for checking out Trippy Food. If you enjoyed watching that video half as much as I did making it, well then I enjoyed it twice as much as you did. And if that's the case, you'll probably like this video right here. And if not, check out this video right here. That one's a little bit different. Either way, leave a comment down below. And be sure to subscribe by clicking on the Trippy Food icon right here.
Glad you could make it, and we hope to see you again soon.